My name is Kevin Keel, and we are here at Podium Body Works. We are a Porsche approved collision center located in North Austin, Texas. We specialize in all makes and models, but the big part of our program is the Porsche certification. That kind of derives from my background with Audi of America and Porsche as a pre-production driver, and it kind of segued into more of the collision side of the industry. We're going to take you on a journey through some of not only introducing you to some of our clients, some of the cases of the collision, showing you the repair process and the procedures that we use to fix Porsches and other makes and models. Kind of pull back the curtain a little bit and show you how the collision industry is structured, going through with insurance companies, talking to clients after they've been in a collision, how we help navigate the repair process and scheduling, kind of going through, showcasing our technicians, some of the accomplishments we've made with our ASE certification, ICAR, obviously our Porsche certification, our relationships with our Porsche dealers and our Porsche clients. We'll take you through the shop, our paint shop. We'll take you to the track when we're going out with some of our cars that we have here at the shop. We'll take you to Circuit of the Americas. We'll take you to our partnering Porsche dealer, and we'll kind of take you along the journey. So obviously we want you to like and subscribe, share this video with friends and family, and also make comments and tell us what you'd like to see on the channel. We would love to highlight some stuff. If you folks are like, wow, we want to see more behind the curtain on the paint shop, how we're doing our formulations, we'll cover a lot of that stuff, but please comment and let us know what you'd like to see.